Hello beautiful people, it's Dr. Lilian here. Welcome and welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button so you can join the family and turn on your post notification bell as well so you get notified whenever I post a new video, okay? I'm going to be talking about how to maintain a relative constant state of happiness. We all want to be happy, but sometimes it can feel like happiness is something that is fleeting or difficult to hold on to because it's easily influenced by many external factors. However, I'm going to be sharing with you some habits and practices that can help you feel a sense of well-being and satisfaction with life. Without further ado, let's get right into it. One of the simplest and easiest way to maintain a state of constant happiness is practicing gratitude. Yes, the act of gratitude. To do this, you need to take out a few minutes of your day to reflect on what you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as the bread and tea you had this morning for breakfast, or as significant as having a loving family and friends around you. When you're grateful for what you have, there's something it does to your body. It makes you feel so happy. Instead of reflecting on what is wrong or what is not going so well in your life, you can start by being grateful for what is working. Yeah, I'm alive today. That means there's something in store for me. That means I still have a purpose, right, to fulfill on earth. That should be something to be grateful for. Yeah, I have beautiful hair. I have a cute face. I have a good body. They're just as little as these things can be. Being grateful for them makes you feel happy. Gratitude has been linked to a greater feeling of happiness and contentment. Another key to maintain a constant state of happiness is by cultivating positive relationships. Try to connect with people that uplift you, people that support you, people that encourage you and push you to be the best you can, okay? Get rid of toxic relationships. Get rid of people that are always trying to be in competition with you or people that always bring you down. Get rid of the naysayers, okay, out of your life. And if this naysayer is probably a family member that you can't get rid of, yeah, very easy. What you need to do is whenever they start bringing up their negative talks, you just excuse yourself. Oh, I need to use the restroom. Just look for something to remove yourself from that entire situation, okay? The next thing you can do to maintain a constant state of happiness is by taking good care of yourself. Self-care, self-love, okay? So make sure you're eating properly, make sure you're taking good care of your health. If you feel some kind of way, make sure you try to see a doctor or just go and check it out, okay? Don't just assume that, oh, well, it's normal and it's going to pass. Yeah, because for the fact that any part of your organ system doesn't feel good, definitely you won't be happy, right? All your focus and attention will be on that particular pain you're feeling here. So take care of yourself and try to exercise. There is a hormone that is produced when you exercise. It's called the endorphins. The endorphins are also known as happiness hormone. They help you relieve your stress and elevate your mood as well, okay? In addition to that, you can engage in activities that make you happy, activities that brings you joy, positive activities, not the negative activities. When I mean negative activities, I mean smoking, drinking. They are negative because it can cause harm to your body, and that's not what you want. Create time for your hobbies. If you love playing football, if you love playing video games, whatever makes you happy, if you love to dance, or you can join organizations, for instance, non-governmental organizations where they help people. There is a way you feel you do good for humanity, right? So that's the kind of feeling you have every time when you're able to provide food for that needy neighbor or that person that you know won't be able to repay you back, right? Basically, practice random acts of kindness. You should also try practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness simply means being present, right? Focusing on the present, what is in front of you, and not thinking about yesterday or what's going to happen in the future, okay? So just enjoying your present surrounding, the present environment, the people around you, you know, that's what it means to be mindful. And for you to be able to increase your level of mindfulness, there are some activities you can do. You can try doing yoga, meditation, or Pilates. They can help you in a long run increase your level of mindfulness. As humans, we're always looking for the next thing, the next opportunities, the next experience, and all of that. So that's why I encourage you to set goals, okay? Set reasonable goals. Find a purpose, find something that gives you joy, something that gives you fulfillment, and pursue it. Yes, so pursue your goals. Make sure at every point in time you're chasing your goals. It could be short-term goals, it could be long-term goals. And draft out your to-do list, daily to-do list, weekly to-do list, or even monthly to-do list, and make sure you stick to them. Make sure you stick to your to-do list. Then in that way, it gives you a sense of fulfillment, a sense of purpose. You feel like, yeah, you're not just wasting away, you're not just wasting your time, right? You're working towards a particular goal. So yeah, so don't stop dreaming, keep writing those goals down, and keep chasing after them, right? When you go to bed at night, you feel as though, yeah, I actually did something today. I actually took my future, my destiny in my hands, okay? And that thing I personally practice is studying the Word of God. Yeah, so I'm a Christian, and most of my beliefs are coined from what I see in the Word of God, right? So I actively try to study the Word of God, to see myself in the way that God sees me, right? So reading the Bible, I realize that I am the apple of God's eyes. It tells me that I am the first and not the last. It tells me that everything is possible as long as I believe it is. These are the things that I feed my mind with. So while I study the Word of God, I also have like daily affirmations. I affirm myself. I tell myself every day, Lilian, you got this. Lilian, you can do this. Lilian, you are beautiful. Lilian, you are kind. Lilian, you are a woman of impact. Lilian, you are the light of the world, okay? You are the salt of the earth. I tell myself these things, and with time, you begin to believe them. You begin to truly believe that this is who you are, because obviously it is who God has made you to be, okay? So never stop talking. Keep on talking. Keep on talking. Keep on telling these things to yourself, because guess what? The devil will never relent. He doesn't keep quiet. If the devil doesn't keep quiet, he's always giving you negative thoughts. Why should you not keep quiet, okay? So as long as the devil is still talking, you should also keep on talking to yourself. Last thing you should do is try as much as possible to avoid comparison, okay? Comparison is the thief of all joy. Even if your friends are living out the life that you would want to live, yeah, be happy for them, right? So instead of envying them, admire the fact that God is doing this in their life. They're achieving their dreams, okay? So instead of you to be bitter and start grumbling and all of that, you can congratulate them, because what you don't celebrate, my dear, you won't get it. It won't come to you. Then to celebrate the wins of your friends, the wins of your family members, it really helps you to maintain a happy life, okay? Avoid jealousy. There is no need being jealous, all right? I know as humans it's very easy for us to be jealous of maybe our neighbors and all of that, but please and please try to kill that thing called jealousy, okay? Try to get rid of it and be content. Be content with what you have. Be content with where you are, all right? Yeah, in as much as you want to go further, you have a particular place you would like to be in life and you're not there yet. While you walk towards where you want to be, you should be grateful for where you are, because the point where you are right now is a point where other people have been dreaming to come to, and you're there. There is always going to be someone that is better than you at a particular thing. There's always going to be someone that has it right than you do, okay? But that doesn't mean you should be jealous or bitter. Wait for your time. There's something called timing, and at the right time, everything will fall into place. Don't stop chasing your goals, okay? Focus on them, and by the grace of God, everything will piece together with time. Remember that happiness is not a destination, but rather a journey. It's important to acknowledge that there will be ups and downs in life, and it's okay to experience a range of emotions. Focus on building resilience and adopting healthy coping mechanisms to help you navigate these difficult times and maintain an overall sense of well-being and happiness. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below so you can interact with me personally. And yeah, I wish you all the best, happiness, love, and joy, okay? Even as you go after your goals, and do your best to make adjustments in your lifestyle to accommodate these habits and practices to keep you in a constant state of happiness, all right? Yeah, So have a lovely day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.